Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of N3HU222. This is a 2003 Hummer H2. This one runs and drives. It was a flood vehicle. We were not able to find the water line. We drained everything, gave it a thorough inspection, and she runs just fine. So we're going to give you guys a little bit more of an in-depth test of this one. Bear with me here as we fire this thing up, drive her on into the shop. 144,544 miles. Let's get the jump box off this thing and pray that it stays running. Success. Test this power seat out, man. Short person on this thing. We're just gonna send it. Let's do a walk around on this bad boy and start testing some parts. Very nice condition. Looks like the left rock rail made it. Bumpers are complete. I see a spare tire carrier that we're going to get pulled off and nice and powder coated, so it looks great on your Hummer. Looks like we got 4 aftermarket wheels that made it as well. We've got Toyo Open Country RTs. See if we can find a size here. 35, 12, 50, 20. Nice loaded front end on this bad boy. If you crash your Hummer, we've got every part you need. Loaded hood, a nice reconditioned front bumper here, cowl vent panels. All right, let's start testing some parts in here. Right off the rip, the climate control is working great. Let's try to call OnStar.
Hello, I'm Beth Williams, an advisor at the OnStar Center. My colleagues and I are here to assist you at a moment's notice, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Just press the blue OnStar button in your vehicle and you'll be connected to a specially trained advisor.
I did.
We can unlock your doors if you lock your keys in your vehicle, assist local authorities in locating your vehicle if it's stolen, and contact roadside assistance if you need help. If you're in an accident and your airbags...
Imagine if you rolled your car and you pressed this and you had a 60-second prompt to get help. Like, hi, I'm bleeding out. Could you shut up now?
You can pinpoint your location by satellite.
So bad.
Contact the nearest emergency service.
All right, get out of here, lady.
OnStar request and OnStar ready. Hello, I'm Deb.
Go away, Debbie. All right. Whoops. Well, I forgot that the battery was dead, so we're gonna have to go back outside. In an effort to get rid of Debbie, I may have killed the Hummer. Here's our not so cold, kind of warm start, take 7 of the 03 Hummer. Now I'm an unknown driver. I was driver 1, now I'm unknown. The car has forgotten me, probably because I insulted Debbie. All right, let's step inside here and test some parts. Oh, all right, power windows. Nope. Not today. All right, power mirror. Nope. This is why we test stuff, folks. Maybe if we rev it up, it'll work. More power. That was not the answer. All right, sunroof. Hi, Dave.
Hi, John. Oh, is it broke?
Just needs a little help. All right.
I think the sunroof is no good.
Behind me is the LQ4 that we have successfully started 5 times now due to my stupidity. This will be sold as a swap. Motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, and a little bit of Gulf sand, all included free of charge. Ready to swap into your hot rod. We did drain this thing thoroughly. We're just messing around. There's no water in the oil in this thing. It was in a very, very low level flood. So this will be a perfect 6-liter LQ4 swap. Heck, even a replacement motor. We'd love to see it in a hot rod though, so buy this thing, stick it in like a 55 Chevy. we're gonna check back here in just, well, it's gonna be a second for you guys, 2 or 3 hours for us, after we've torn a Hummer apart. Update, we found some cool stuff in the Hummer. 1 dehydrated frog, 2 dehydrated frogs. Where's the 3rd one? Oh, and it's just a little guy.
If you put them back in water, do they puff up with the little bass boy?
There's only one way to find out. Let me get a bucket.
Looks like a bat.
What if he...
This one gets a water slide. Let's see if the frogs come back to life. We'll check right in. Darren, for 20 bucks, will you drink the frog water? 30 bucks? 40 bucks? 1 Bitcoin? That was dumb. Well, it's me again, and we've come to the end of N3HU222. I'm not going to bother flipping around here because nothing's changed. There was a Hummer, we took parts off of it. We're going to take it over to the other side, get that LQ4 out of it, 4L65E, the transfer case, which probably doesn't have pump rub in it, but we'll get it all through the dismantle process. We'll check everything out, make sure we can give it the most accurate description possible before we list it online. If you folks are looking for any parts off of a Hummer, Corvette, or really an enthusiast automobile, links down below in the bio. We'll get you to our website, social media, and whatnot. Check us out. Buy some parts. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. God bless America.